Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of avatar not working on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Snapchat and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.